eating healthier on your to-do list this year? Find out which ones are not only good for you, but can actually make your immune system stronger. That's all right now on Sonoran Living.
As we all put 2020 behind us, it's very important to remember that we can't let our guard down when it comes to our health. So if one of your goals is to maybe improve your diet, for whatever reason, weight loss or whatever, you don't want to forget about continuing to boost your immune system. Joining us this morning is author and nutritionist Andrea Donsky, and she has some great tips to help us do just that. It's good to see you, and Happy New Year to you, Andrea. Always looking for great ideas. You also say that fats are really a good thing. They actually help our brain function better, right?
Good fats are crucial. They're important for brain health, for heart health. They're good for energy. So you really want to avoid trans fats. To me, those would be a bad fat. So you want to look for good fats like olives and olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil. And one of the best kept secrets to me is sustainable Malaysian palm fruit oil. That's because it's naturally trans fat free. It's a non-GMO, and you can cook with it at a high heat. So you can make stir fries, you can pop your popcorn, you can make eggs with it, which is amazing. Now, it comes in two colors. You can see it has this beautiful red color as well as yellow. And the red has something called carotenoids. Again, those plant chemicals that are so good for us, good for our immune system. They're also good for our eyes and our skin. And because it's made in Malaysia, it's sustainable. So it's not going to harm any wildlife, and it's not going to harm the rainforests.
Excellent. Okay.